child of 13 to Jean Paul Tao, father, and Maya, mother. And whereas at the age of 9, Zhong Zhentuo joined the Lao Buddhist temple, and in 1948, Zhong Zhentuo joined the Roman Catholic Church in Phun Savan, Laos. And whereas in 1961, at the age of 24, Zhong Zhentuo married his first wife, Thia Ba. And whereas in 1962, Zhong Zhentuo joined the Civil War Army of Laos under the support and auspices of the United States of America. And whereas Zhong Zhentuo served under the supervision of Colonel Eng Chu Tao in the city of Pakao, and Long Ping in 1966 was promoted to Naikon. And whereas Zhong Zhentuo survived many combat battles before leaving the army and joining the mayor's office of Sao Sia Thong in the province of Sang Hong, Laos. And whereas in 1967, Zhong Zhentuo was recruited by the Royal Lao government to participate in the development and study of government